let's go to example 1. Using that same information as before, it says dinner service starts once the train is 250 miles away from Yonkers. What's the minimum time the players will have to wait before they can have their meal? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to first fill in a ratio table, and then we're going to use that information to create a graph on the coordinate plane in order to solve our problem. From before, we said that 2 hours the train travels 100 miles. 4 hours, 200 miles. 6 hours, 300 miles. 8 hours, 400 miles. And then 10 hours, 500 miles. We can take that information and we create ordered pairs, meaning we just put the numbers together. And using those ordered pairs, we're going to plot points on a graph. So my ordered pairs for these will look as follows. Having a little trouble here. 10, 500. There we go. Now, if I look at my coordinate plane graph, I first have to label some stuff here. Okay? This bottom line is called my x-axis, and I'm going to label that as hours. We always want to make sure that we have the same distance between tick marks on our lines, and our corner will always be 0. I'm just going to label every 2 tick marks and go up by 2 hours. Stop right there. Now on my y-axis, this vertical line, that's going to represent my distance. Now actually I probably should move these over a little bit. Is it all in better? There we go. Okay, this is going to be my distance traveled in the train. And again, when we're labeling these, we want to always make our corners 0, and we want to go up by the same amount. Let's keep it simple. Let's go every 2 tick marks, and let's go up by 100. That's as far as I need to go. Now I'm going to use those ordered pairs that I created in my table, and I'm going to plot points. Well, I know that if the train doesn't travel any time, it's not going to travel any distance. I'm going to put a point 0, 0 there on the corner. And from before we said that we had an ordered pair of 2 100. So 2 hours matches up with 100 miles. 4 hours matched up with 200 miles. 6 hours matched up with 300. 8 hours with 400. And 10 hours with 500. Once you've got all your points plotted, what you can do is you can take a ruler, a straight edge, and draw a straight line through the center of each one of those points and extend it through. Now to find our answer, remember the dinner service wasn't served until 250 miles in. We want to know how long the team had to wait. If we figure out where 250 miles is, which is right here, and we draw a straight line to where it meets that line that we drew, and then straight down, we can figure out how much time it matches with it. We can see that here it matches up with 5 hours. So the team is going to have to wait 5 hours before they get dinner.